Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Shatin Swati is here and welcome to Biosciences with Shatrin Swati. And today I am here with my fifth lecture from the vertebrate series, and this lecture is about class mammalian from phylum chordata. So before discussing and starting my lecture, I have a very humble request to all of you. Kindly subscribe my channel, like my videos, share my videos. If you're sharing my videos, you're sharing the knowledge. So keep watching, keep sharing knowledge with other. So now I'm going to start the class mammalian. We human being also included in this class, and you can see here in this collage different mammals. And now I will discuss one by one all the characteristics, the taxonomic position, characteristics, body system, and at last types or classes. So mammalian, as we know that the kingdom Animalia, phylum Chordata, and class Mammalia. Characteristics: mammals like birds are warm-blooded, means they do not change their body temperature. The body temperature remain constant and depends on the metabolic activities of the living organism. They are the most dominant form of the animals found in almost all type of habitats. They are found in all types. You see, as vices live in the water, and then the reptiles habitat, some live in the water. Sometimes amphibians possess both land and water life, but they inhabit, they are found in almost all type of habitat. They have the most important characteristic of the mammalian. They have mammary glands that help them produce milk to feed their young ones. Presence of region of the brain known as neocortex. Their skin possess oil glands known as sebaceous glands, and sweat glands, which are known as sudoriferous glands. Sudoriferous glands and sebaceous glands. Sudoriferous glands, they are what? Sweat gland, and the sebaceous glands are oil glands. They are heterodon, that is, they possess different types of teeth. Now, I'm here will not discover about the different types of the teeth. You must search about them. Okay, mammals also possess cervical vertebrae. The skull is dicondylic. The trunk is divided into thorax and abdomen. They respire through their lungs, proper respiratory system. Good sense of hearing, as mammals are added with 3 middle ear bones. Mammals have a 4-chambered heart, sinus venosus, and renal portal system, which is present in the amphibian, absent here. They have just 4-chambered heart. Presence of the single bone lower jaws. Lower jaws, single bone lower jaws. The fur of hair throughout the body, which help animals adapt to their environment. They have fur, hairs. The brain is well developed, divided into cerebrum, cerebellum, and medulla oblongata. I will discuss it later on. They possess 12 pairs of cranial nerves. Birds possess, now mammals possess. You must compare all how many pairs are present in the biceps and how many I have discussed in each and every class. Exhibit one of the most advanced forms of diaphragms they possess. They have. The mammals can lay egg also, but mostly the mammals are viviparous. There are few. I will show you which type, which class included in the egg-laying mammals. Now, I'm going to discuss the body system. First of all, I will discuss about the digestive system. Not in detail. I will discuss digestive system in detail, human digestive system, in my upcoming lectures, inshallah. All mammals have. Here you can see in the figure, this is the digestive tract of the human being. So all mammals possess the same with little bit modifications. Like if the mammals are carnivores, if they are omnivores, their chemical, their enzymes nature is different. I will discuss it later on in my upcoming lectures. So digestive system consists of the mouth, pharynx, esophagus, and then stomach, small intestine, large intestine, and large and small intestine consist of the duodenum, jejunum, and ileum. Large intestine consists of colon, rectum, cecum, and at the end anus. So the liver, most important gland, pancreas present, which help in digestion. So this is the little bit information about the digestive system. Okay, now you can see here the different types of digestive system in carnivores, herbivores, human, lion. All have esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, and that ended the anus. So this is the comparative alimentary canal of all these mammals. Okay, is it clear now? Now, respiratory system. All mammals possess the lungs for respiration, and respiratory system consists of, or you can say start from the mouth and nose. So the nasal cavity, oral cavity is used for the inhalation and exhalation of the gases, oxygen, carbon dioxide. So oxygen enter here, first larynx, then trachea attached with the bronchi divided into bronchioles, and bronchioles further divided into alveoli, and that produces the lungs. You can say this is the lung. So lungs, you can see here many alveoli. They are the air sacs and richly supplied with blood capillaries, and 2 lungs are present in all the mammals. Is it clear? These lungs are protected by the rib cage. So this is the overall structure of the lung, in which are richly supplied. Surface area is great enough because of the presence of these alveoli, which help in the exchange of the gases, means mixing of the oxygen in the blood and taking away of the carbon dioxide, or giving away of the carbon dioxide from the blood. So this is the respiratory system. Now the circulatory system. Circulatory system consists of the heart, and heart is 4-chambered, and heart is connected with the arteries, and on the other hand with the veins. Veins carry the deoxygenated blood, arteries carry the oxygenated blood. So 4-chambered, 2 auricles, 2 ventricle, one side is right side and other is the left side. deoxygenated present on the right side and the oxygenated blood present on the left side. You can see here the blood is collected from the body. So you can see there are three circuits: systemic circuit, pulmonary circuit, and the third one is the coronary circuit. Coronary circuit consists of coronary arteries, those arteries which provide the blood to the heart itself. Is it clear? And I will discuss heart and related all the arteries, veins in detail in my upcoming lectures, inshallah. So here I'm going to discuss briefly about that. So systemic, which is the body, the circulation of the blood in the body, that is the systemic, in the heart, to the heart, coronary, and to the lungs, pulmonary. So the pulmonary circuit consists of pulmonary vein and the pulmonary artery. Well, pulmonary artery carry the deoxygenated blood from the right ventricle towards the heart for oxygenation, towards the lungs for oxygenation, and from the lungs oxygenated blood back to the left side, left auricles of the heart through pulmonary vein. Pulmonary artery is that artery which carry deoxygenated blood. This is the only one artery, and the vein carry the oxygenated blood. This is only the one vein which carry the oxygenated blood. So, heard from this pulmonary circuit, blood enter into the left auricle, and from the left auricle it move to the left ventricle, and from the left ventricle it move to the aorta, and then to all parts of the body. So this is the overall circulatory system, which consists of a heart and the three circuits: systemic, and coronary, and pulmonary. The concept is clear now about the coronary circuit, systemic circle, and pulmonary circuit. Now, excretory system. The excretory system, basically here two kidneys are present. Mostly the excretion, there are many way of excretion, like you can say the lungs for the carbon dioxide, and you say that bile, and many more way. Skin is also used for that purposes. But here I am discussing about the excretory system, which relate to the are just related to what? Kidneys. The kidneys, two kidneys are present in human and all the mammals, and I will discuss all the parts of the kidney and the function of the kidney in my upcoming lecture. So here I'm just showing you the kidneys, two kidneys, and these kidneys are have two pipes. You can see that two ducts which are known as ureters, and these ureters carry the excretory product, means urine, into the urinary bladder, and from the urinary bladder it open to the outside of the body through the urethra. So this is the simplest way, explanation of the excretory system, which consists of the kidneys, and I will discuss later on how many parts of the kidney. Kidney consists of the medulla and cortex and many more, inshallah, in detail. So the concept clear? The kidney, and otherwise lungs for the expelling of the carbon dioxide, and similarly you can see here the food waste expelled through the anus in the form of the feces, and many more. The concept clear now about the excretory system, and this excretory system is present in all mammals. Okay. Nervous system. Nervous system consists of the central nervous system and the peripheral nervous system. All mammals possess. Now the central nervous system consists of the brain and the spinal cord. And brain is divided into further three parts: forebrain, midbrain, and hindbrain. Similarly, the peripheral nervous system. Peripheral nervous system consists of the neurons, which are sensory and motor and associative, and many more. Now, here I will not discuss in detail about the nervous system. Just I'm giving you the concept of the nervous system. What is basically the nervous system is. That is divided into central nervous system and the peripheral nervous system. Is it clear now? So here you can see the nervous system of all the mammals. Now, reproductive system. Reproductive system All the mammals possess both male and female. They're dimorphic, mean possess one partner is the male and the other female. Fertilization is internal, and in male testes are present. You can see here, and in the female ovaries are present. In the testes, sperms are produced, and in the ovaries, female of the female egg is produced. And I will discuss in detail about the reproductive system in my upcoming lecture. So keep watching all my lectures. Is it clear now? So the reproductive system consists of the male and the female reproductive system. Male reproductive system consists of testes, and the female reproductive system consists of the ovaries. Ovary produces the egg, testes produces the sperm, and both sperm and egg fertilize, and the fertilization is internal. And then after fertilization, zygote is produced, which undergo and produces the embryo, and so on. So this is the reproductive system. Is it clear? Now, classification of the mammal. Mammals are classified, and you can see here in the figure different types of the mammals: Eutheria, Metatheria, and Prototheria. Prototheria, this is the Eutheria, and human also included in the Eutheria, and all the mammals, many more included in the Eutheria. And Metatheria, kangaroo, duckbill, iguana. So I will discuss all these Eutheria, Metatheria, Prototheria one by one. So first of all, Eutheria. The word derivation, first of all, what is word derivation? Eu mean truth, and theria mean breast. They are those organisms which possess true breast and have mammary glands for feeding their young ones, and they have true placenta development, and all the growth and development of the fetus occur inside the placenta, inside the womb of the mother. So they are the Eutheria, and there are many more orders, 19 orders, few of them here, like the Proboscidea, elephants, Rodentia, rodents, rats, and the last one is the artiodactyls, cows, etc. Is it clear? So what are Eutheria? Which possess true breast with mammary glands. Mammary glands used for feeding of the young ones, and all the growth and development occur in the placenta inside the womb of the mother. They possess true and developed placenta, as compared to the next one, Metatheria. Metatheria give birth to their young ones, but in immature form, because in Metatheria the placenta is not well developed as in the Eutheria. So there are about 7 different orders, but 3 are I'm discussing here: Notorectimorphia, marsupials, and Diprotodontia, kangaroo, most familiar. And the last one is the Microbiotheria, which includes the colo. Is it clear? The most familiar for all of you is the kangaroo. Must keep it in your mind. The kangaroo give birth to their young ones in an immature state, and they have pouch. Metatheria are also the pouched mammals, because they possess pouch on their belly, in which the baby of the Metatheria live and grow and develop and survive. Is it clear? So that's why they are Metatheria, pouched mammals. The placenta is not well developed, and many more. So the difference is clear between the Eutheria and Metatheria. Now, Prototheria, totally different. They are egg-laying mammals. They don't possess true placenta. They give birth They don't give birth to their young ones, they lay egg. And the most important, they are also known as monotremata, and the example is the duck-bill. You can see this is the duck-bill and Ecdina and the duck-bill is the example of the Prototheria. So the difference between the Eutheria, Metatheria and the Prototheria is clear. I hope so. The lecture is clear upon you people. If you have any question, you can ask, you can write your question in the comment box. I will try my best to answer your question. So thank you very much. I will be back with my next lecture tomorrow. Allah Hafiz.